In this video, I will show you how to make a powerful weight loss drink by combining coffee with lemon. This miracle drink has been proven to help reduce belly fat in just 1 week. Coffee is known for its metabolism boosting properties, while lemon helps to detoxify the body and aid in digestion. When combined, they create a potent concoction that can help you achieve your weight loss goals faster. Join me as I demonstrate how to make this simple yet effective drink. And learn about the potential benefits it can have on your weight loss journey. Say goodbye to stubborn belly fat and hello to a slimmer, healthier you with this amazing weight loss drink. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos on health, wellness, and weight loss tips. Let's get started on our journey to a healthier lifestyle together. Did you know that a combination of coffee and lemon can actually help you lose belly fat in just 1 week? Yes, you heard that right. This powerful weight loss drink can do wonders for your body. Combining coffee with lemon in a powerful weight loss drink offers several benefits. Metabolism boost. Coffee contains caffeine, which stimulates the nervous system and increases metabolic rate, while lemon provides vitamin C, which aids in fat oxidation, resulting in enhanced calorie burning. Appetite suppression. The caffeine in coffee acts as an appetite suppressant, reducing hunger cravings and calorie intake, while the sour taste of lemon can curb cravings for sugary or high-calorie foods. Hydration. Lemon water added to coffee helps keep the body hydrated, which is essential for proper metabolism and efficient fat burning. Detoxification. Lemon contains citric acid, which aids in liver detoxification and digestion, while coffee acts as a diuretic, flushing out toxins and excess water weight from the body. Blood sugar regulation. The combination of caffeine and antioxidants in coffee with the soluble fiber in lemon helps stabilize blood sugar levels. Preventing spikes and crashes that can lead to cravings and overeating. Digestive aid. Lemon water in coffee stimulates the production of gastric juices and bile, aiding in digestion and preventing bloating and indigestion. Antioxidant protection. Both coffee and lemon are rich in antioxidants, which help protect cells from damage caused by free radicals, supporting overall health and well-being. Enhanced energy levels. The caffeine in coffee provides a natural energy boost, while the vitamin C in lemon helps convert fat into usable energy, leading to increased stamina and endurance during workouts. Improved focus and concentration. Coffee's stimulatory effects combined with the mood-enhancing properties of lemon promote mental alertness, focus, and concentration, aiding in productivity and weight loss efforts. Alkalizing effect. Despite its acidic taste, lemon water has an alkalizing effect on the body, which can help balance pH levels and reduce inflammation, promoting overall health and weight loss. Metabolism boost. Coffee contains caffeine, which is known to increase metabolic rate and enhance fat burning. When combined with the vitamin C in lemon, this effect can be further amplified. Resulting in a more efficient metabolism. Appetite control. The acidity of lemon juice can help regulate blood sugar levels and reduce cravings. While the caffeine in coffee acts as an appetite suppressant, helping you feel fuller for longer periods. Enhanced digestion. Lemon juice stimulates the production of digestive enzymes, aiding in the breakdown of food and promoting better digestion. Coffee also has a laxative effect that can help relieve constipation, and promote regular bowel movements. Detoxification. Both coffee and lemon have detoxifying properties that can help cleanse the liver and kidneys. Promoting the elimination of toxins from the body, and supporting overall health. Increased energy. The combination of caffeine from coffee and natural sugars from lemon juice provides a quick energy boost, making it an ideal pre-workout drink to enhance performance and endurance. Hydration. Lemon-infused coffee can help keep you hydrated throughout the day, as lemon juice adds flavor to plain water, making it more enjoyable to drink and encouraging greater fluid intake. Improved focus. The caffeine in coffee stimulates the central nervous system, increasing alertness and improving concentration. Adding lemon to coffee can enhance these cognitive benefits, resulting in better focus and productivity. Balanced pH levels. Despite being acidic, lemon juice has an alkalizing effect on the body once metabolized, helping to balance pH levels and reduce acidity in the stomach. This can alleviate symptoms of acid reflux and promote overall digestive health. Antioxidant protection. Both coffee and lemon are rich in antioxidants that help fight free radicals and reduce oxidative stress in the body. This can help prevent cellular damage, reduce inflammation, and lower the risk of chronic diseases. Weight loss support. By combining the metabolism-boosting effects of coffee with the appetite-suppressing and detoxifying properties of lemon, this powerful weight loss drink can support your efforts to achieve and maintain a healthy weight over time. Incorporating this potent combination into your daily routine can offer a range of benefits for weight loss and overall health, making it a simple yet effective addition to your wellness regimen. Coffee is known to boost your metabolism and increase fat burning. It also contains antioxidant properties that help in detoxifying your body. When combined with lemon, which is rich in vitamin C and helps in digestion, you get a potent weight loss drink that can target stubborn belly fat. So start your day by drinking a cup of black coffee with a squeeze of fresh lemon juice. Make sure to avoid adding sugar or cream to keep it low in calories. This drink will not only kickstart your metabolism but also help in reducing bloating and water retention. In addition to drinking this miracle weight loss drink, make sure to maintain a healthy diet and exercise regularly for best results. Say goodbye to that stubborn belly fat and hello to a slimmer, healthier you in just 1 week. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips.